Hi guys, it's me CarmiMua and I am back again to create this very beautiful Halloween look. Alright guys, so first thing first, make sure you have prepared your skin. I already done my base as well as my brows, a little bit of powder, and now it's time for eyes. So I have our brand new palette, and now this one over here, it is absolutely stunning and is ready for Halloween. Take our color, dust off the excess, and we are starting on our crease. Okay guys, so now that we have our first shade down, we're gonna start with exactly the same brush, and we're gonna move in with something that is a little bit deeper. Dust off the excess, and again, we are starting to deepen up our outer edge. Intensity is pretty much key to success, and today I'm actually gonna use this palette over here. Now this one over here, it is called the Face Paint Palette. Now they are all beautiful shades. You can use it on your face, on your eyes, as well as on your lips. And what you wanna do is go very, very close to your actual lashes and start to stamp it down. So you are starting with all the intensity that you want. So press, press, press. We're taking back our eyeshadow palette, and you know what? Same brush will be fine. So this time is again pressing on top of our cream. So just take a little bit and you just very, very quickly, you are pressing it in. Taking back our first brush, and what we are doing is making them together so that our transition and our matte shade, they do exactly match together. We are going in with the black eyeshadow. Take this and dust and start. So now what we are gonna do is taking the first shade we ever use, that is absolutely beautiful, and what I'll do is I smoke down my lower lash line. Now this one over here is called Haunted Lights. I'm taking a small clean brush, take a little bit of this highlighter. Highlighter, even more, yes. So I'm gonna use this one over here. This one over here is called Paranormal. It's taking just a little bit onto your ends. And what I'll do is taking one of my clean brushes and just throw the brushes inside over here. When you're starting with your cheeks, you are gonna first add it on. Now from a liquid, we set it with the powder. So take again a little bit, wink wink, because it's a lot. And we are just gonna add this one. Did you just see that? Because I need to take a moment in my life. Hi. Okay, so now we are ready to finish off with the best nude lipstick. And of course, Revolution just launched more lipstick. Lashes and liner is what I'm gonna do very quickly off camera. Okay guys, so as you can see, the lashes and everything is down. One way to let me know that you are ready for this Halloween is commenting down below.